Hi, welcome. Nice to be here with you again. I really enjoy my time on YouTube. Let me jump in. Speaking up is put on a pedestal. However, the few opinions you have, the fewer conclusions you come to, the fewer fixed ideas you hold on to, the more bliss and joy will be yours. Unless you are a man or a woman who can let go of things and not be occupied by them, by stories, it is, and so on, it is a wise step to consider meditating in order to reach such a state. When we speak of opinions, they are self constructed beliefs. Some are positive and some negative. Being free of judgment when aware is better and more fruitful since the law of attraction is hovering, watching over every move to assess whether we are deserving or undeserving of goodness. Next topic. Don't tell people that I want to be a saint. It is very ego linkage. Being a detective and keeping it to yourself is always better. Broadcasting your sainthood powers is losing them. Rejoice in your special holy gifts is always better, secretly in your own privacy. In an irrelevant topic, we can say that life is fair when we have alliance with our brain. Not becoming a victim of the brain is better. Lack of control, victim mentality over one's brain is an emotion. I don't need examples to affirm it. No need to tie stories to it. Putting yourself down is not a good trait to possess. Like if you have negative thoughts and you put yourself down about them, making hurtful stories about yourself is a cowardly act. Your stories may seem helpful, but when you have low self-worth, um, they become destructive. Victim mentality is tied to not being at fault and is always valid. The lack of responsibility and persecution is not always dependent on the victim's status, guilty or not guilty. Politicians are often blamed for rules they have not undertaken. They are exposed to persecutions over matters outside their district. There are politicians claimed as guilty over irrelevant matters. Let's be careful on not becoming accusatory on victims. Rather, we need to evaluate the proper wrongdoers. So that's it. I have fun with you all the time. And I hope my words give you some more awareness, building knowledge. And I have my next video to film. So for now, bye bye.